If you're encountering a JIO cinema error, we encountered an unexpected amor while playing this content, RD-1003, you can try the following solutions. Here are step-by-step solution for JIO cinema error. First step, check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and active internet connection. Switch to a different Wi-Fi network or cellular data if possible. Second step, clear the cache and data of JIO cinema app. To do this, long press on JIO cinema app. Tap on info icon. And find storage. Then tap on clear cache. And tap on clear data, confirm to clear it, then go back and find permission. Allow all the permissions. Check if your problem have solved or not. Third step, update the JIO cinema app. To do this, tap on Play Store or App Store. Search for JIO cinema. Check if there is update. Update it. Fourth step, restart your device. Reboot your phone or device to refresh its settings. To do this, long press on device's power button. And swipe to restart it. Fifth step, try using a different device. If you are still getting the error, try using a different device to see if that resolves the issue. Sixth step, check for JIO cinema server issues. Sometimes, JIO cinema may experience server problems. You can check the status of JIO cinema servers on websites like Down Detector. If you have tried all of the above and you are still getting the error, you can contact JIO cinema support for assistance. Here are some additional tips to help you avoid JIO cinema errors. Make sure that you are using a supported device. You can check the list of supported devices on the JIO cinema website. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the JIO cinema app. Keep your device's operating system up to date. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks whenever possible, as they can be less secure and less reliable than private networks. Use a strong and reliable password for your JIO cinema account. By following these tips, you can help to protect your JIO cinema account and avoid common errors. Thank you. Please subscribe to TechSoar.